in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back to settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accounts on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select where it says sign in options. And then where it says ways to sign in at the top, go down and select password, and then select the change button. Enter in your current password, and then select next. Enter in your new password, confirm it, and then enter in a hint. Select next to proceed, and then you may need to restart your computer for the changes to be saved, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.